So what is Power over Ethernet? Power over Ethernet is a technique for setting up wired Ethernet local area networks that enables the electrical current required to run each device to be carried over Ethernet data cables, as opposed to conventional electrical cabling and power cords. The ability to transmit power through network cabling is made possible by combining hardware for data transmission and power supply onto a single RJ45 Ethernet connector. In order to add power to an existing data line, PoE networks can source power either at the network switch side or at a PoE injector. How does it work? Power over Ethernet is a process where power sourcing equipment delivers a direct current voltage to another connected device, known as a power device, over a regular Ethernet line. As a result, devices can be powered without requiring a separate power line or a local power source at the device's location. Ethernet data cables must have electrical current flowing through them, from the power source end to the device end, in order for PoE to function. With Ethernet, it is possible to keep the power current and data signal apart, so they do not conflict with one another. Current enters the data cable via a component called an injector. If the device at the other end of the line is PoE compatible, it won't need any adjustment to work properly. There are many benefits in using Power over Ethernet. Just a few are cost efficiency, flexibility, and safety. Cost efficiency. Because PoE-enabled devices are powered via network cables, you can save the time and cost of installing electrical cabling for your network. Flexibility. Devices can be placed wherever they are needed without requiring an electrical outlet because they do not need to be linked to outlets. Safety. The purpose of Power over Ethernet power distribution is to safeguard network-connected devices from overload, power loss, and improper installation. Since the power is centrally supplied by a source that is compatible with the system, it is simple to control. The power required for any new PoE-enabled device is already available, so it expands along with your network and make it plug-and-play as you add devices. What devices use Power over Ethernet? Power over Ethernet may now be used by devices like phones, cameras, routers, and more to power devices and transmit crucial data. Let's use IP security cameras as an example. Because they don't need to be tethered to a power line and may be installed anywhere, IP cameras used for security and surveillance are frequently PoE enabled. The majority of wireless and Bluetooth IPs are PoE compatible and can be installed wherever you choose, rather than in close proximity to an AC outlet. The NS208PSE is an 8-port unmanaged Power over Ethernet industrial Ethernet switch. It supports 8 PoE ports, which are classified as power source equipment. It makes centralized power supply come true and provides up to 15.4 watts of power per port. The NS208PSE IP67 and NS208PSE M12 IP67 is designed for industrial applications in harsh environments. The rugged RJ45 ensures tight, robust connections and guarantees reliable operation, even for applications that are subject to high vibration and shock. It has auto detection in power devices and automatic power management in over temperature, over current, and over-under voltage detection. The TNS200IN single-port PoE injector supports PoE-powered devices in industrial environments. It delivers both data and power over a single standard Ethernet cable to a PoE-powered device designed to receive both data and power through its RJ45 port connector. The NS200PS plays the role of PD. It splits the data signal and power signal that are transmitted from the PSE. It plays a dual role of providing power to industrial devices and enabling Ethernet connections. For more information on our Power over Ethernet modules, visit our website or contact a member of the ICP-DAS USA team.